Every year, California experiences thousands of earthquakes, most small, but some powerful enough to cause major damage. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, nearly 90% of Californians live in areas with significant earthquake risk. Yet, across the U.S., millions remain unprepared, with less than half of households having an emergency plan or knowing what to do when the shaking starts.
Seeing how unprepared many people in our Bay Area community were, we created Aftershock, an app that makes earthquake preparedness simple and accessible. It guides users through every step, from learning about earthquakes and building emergency plans, to managing contacts, medical info, documents, and real-time alerts during an emergency. By turning awareness into action, Aftershock helps people build lifelong safety habits, not just for themselves, but for their families and communities.
Aftershock is designed for anyone living in earthquake-prone areas, including California. It can be used to prepare a home for an earthquake, coordinate emergency plans and meeting points, and provide safety information during an earthquake. Aftershock makes earthquake preparedness easier for everyone.
The front end of our app was developed using React Native and Expo, which allows it to run seamlessly across platforms: iOS, Android, and web. In addition, we are aided by a variety of online APIs. For example, the USGS Earthquake API for earthquake data, the News API for news articles, and the Gemini API to power our Epicenter AI chatbot. The backend of our project is hosted on Vercel, and our database is hosted on Firebase.
Our app includes a variety of pages: the dashboard, Prepare, Emergency Hub, Epicenter AI, and the profile page. On the Epicenter AI page, you can create chats where you communicate with our virtual AI assistant. You can choose one of our pre-generated prompts or write your own, like ways to improve home security in case of an earthquake. Not only would Epicenter AI tell you information about this topic, but it can also point you to places in our app to further your understanding and knowledge. You can choose to copy, store, and regenerate responses. On the profile page, you can write your emergency plan, like evacuation routes and meetup points, and ask for help from our Epicenter AI, which can evaluate your plan and provide feedback. You can upload important documents to store and view in our app during an emergency, or easily enter contact information with a phone number, name, and relation. Lastly, you can also add medical information like allergies and blood type. During an emergency, you can view all of these information in the Emergency Hub. When an earthquake happens near you, you receive an alert where you can view the specifics of the earthquake. And even if there is no signal, you can still use the Emergency Hub to find out what to do during an earthquake emergency. You can also view your contacts, medical info, and save documents.
Earthquakes are unpredictable, but preparation doesn't have to be. With Aftershock, you can take control, stay informed, and protect what matters most.